guys? Ashley Elizabeth here with AHM Artistry, and I have not done a face mask video in a hot minute. So I wanted to test a couple out here today for you to see if it's something that you'd be interested in trying out as well. I'm gonna do a little speed through video, but before we do, let's go over a couple little features and benefits of this masking set. So back in, I think it was like October, I purchased a Nugg cucumber mask. They're those cute little pods like this, and I tried that out and I really liked it. And after I posted it, Nugg Beauty actually reached out to me and wanted to see if I wanted to try some more products. So I reviewed the lip mask and lip scrub back in, I think November or December, and I'll link it up top right here in case you haven't seen it yet. But I'm just overall in love with what I've tried so far. They sent me this set and I hadn't had time to get around to it yet, but here I am testing 2 of those out for you. Now this is not a sponsored video, but I do want to let you guys know anytime I am sent products for free, it does not affect my opinion in any way. I'm happy to try some fun stuff out, but it doesn't change my opinion of things just because I'm sent them for free. So thank you, Nugg Beauty, for sending it to me. So if you go to Nugg Beauty's website, they do have several different variety packs to choose from, like little 4-piece sets. They have big boxes, different ones. These sets retail for $14.99, and this one that they sent to me is geared towards more sensitive and super dry skin, because I did let them know, ooh, my skin has some difficulties, so they sent that to me, which is awesome. So of this 4-piece set, I'm gonna be trying the cranberry seed oil one, which is exfoliating, because if you haven't noticed, my skin is feeling pretty crazy. It's pretty all over the place right now. I have been trying a lot of new products, and it is time to reset and rebalance my skin. So that is my goal here today. So after I do this one for I think like 15 minutes, then I'm gonna go in with Soothing Chamomile and Shea Butter one. So it's supposed to be super hydrating, and that will just reset my skin and rebalance. So really quickly, another reason why I want to rebalance my skin is within the next few days, I'm gonna be starting a whole new skincare regimen. I'm gonna be changing everything up. You know, I just had a birthday and I want some more anti-aging power, and my skin, it's just, like I said, it's just getting all over the place. I have this big guy up here. I got another little one there. It's not that time of the month and I don't usually have that problem, so I need to fix it. So I purchased these from my friend who's an esthetician, and it's the Jan Marini skincare management system, and this is just the eye cream, but it's a full-on like clearing and just detoxifying system. So I'm starting that system right now, and over the next few weeks my skin might have some challenges. So I want to let you guys know in my, my next few weeks videos that my skin might be looking a little bit different, but in the end result is supposed to be really good. I am going to be vlogging about my journey with this skincare system, so if you aren't subscribed yet, you can go down and hit that little subscribe button so you get notified as soon as I post that. I know that's a separate video, but I did want to take this opportunity, barefaced and all, letting you guys know that my skin's going to be going through some transitions. So anyways, if you are still with me, let's go ahead and slap these on, and we will see the before and after and see if we can feel any kind of difference on the skin. All right, you guys, so that was my little masking sesh that I had. Thank you for joining me with that. So you probably noticed I used the lip treatments while I was masking, because as I was sitting there with my detox mask on, I was thinking my lips feel just super dry and just wrecked. So I was like, of course I should use the mask set. So I first did the lip scrub. That's what you saw at the end right before I washed off my face. I put the lip scrub on since everything else needed to get wiped off anyways, easy. And then I did the lip mask at the same time I was doing the soothing hydrating mask, so they processed at the same time. And you already know my review on that. You know I love these. Now my overall review, I mean, it's hard obviously to tell, it's one day, but my skin feels really smooth. Not necessarily hydrating, there's no oily feel at all, but it just feels like it totally feels reset and refreshed. My pores look It's funny, they look empty. This area kind of gets some congestion, so it kind of looks empty now. And I definitely pulled out, I had like a little guy coming through, so it helped pull that one out, and then same thing here. Now, if you do notice, my redness has gone in both of those angry guys, and this one now is almost completely flat. I just feel a little bit of dryness, but it's much better than it was at the beginning. And then this is almost like just pink now. It was super red, super angry before. Overall, I really like the masking system. They are so cute, and those are single serve products. If you didn't notice, I slathered them on my face and I did my neck, and I still have a tiny bit left of both. So in a couple of days, I might just do like a mini mask session where I do the detox right in my T-zone, and then I'll put this one everywhere else and then rinse off in once. You can customize it and cater it to what your skincare needs. If this was your first time tuning into my channel, thank you so much and welcome. If you'd like to be notified about more videos about beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, everything in between, go down and hit that little subscribe button. And now when you go to subscribe to people, make sure you hit that little bell if you want to be notified about every single upload, or else YouTube will only tell you about certain videos. So if you're wondering, where is she? How come she's not posting videos? I am. You just might not be getting notified about it. I do post videos 2 to 3 times a week, and you don't want to miss out. So hit that little subscribe button, hit that bell, and you will be golden. Thank you guys again so much for tuning into my little pamper sesh, and you guys have a great, lovely day.